What's up, people? Delight here from delightybeauty.com. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we'll be making Chebe butter. Chebe powder has been the hair regimen secret of the people of Chad in Africa. They apply the powder with oil and water to moisturize their hair and braid it up in 4 to 6 parts. They repeat this process every 4 to 5 days. With their method, applying Chebe powder paste, it can be very messy. Most people cannot really leave it on their hair for so long, like the women of Chad. But we want to be able to style our hair, go on a normal daily basis without having messy paste in our hair. So we will be making Chebe butter with Chebe powder. If you are wondering if Chebe works, here are some of Chebe benefits to the hair. It helps lock in moisture. Chebe helps moisturize, condition and strengthen the hair. Chebe helps increase the hair volume and density over time. It has medicinal properties which nourish the follicles. Chebe helps reduce shedding and breaking drastically. It helps to retain moisture, which ultimately promotes hair growth. Chebe really doesn't grow hair, but it helps retain length, and over time it promotes hair growth. Chebe butter even helps more with the added ingredients and the benefit of shea butter, rosemary, tea tree oil and so many other ingredients. Now let's get started into making our own Chebe butter. So we'll be making our butter now, and we'll be needing our kitchen table scale, our kitchen scale, our shea butter, Chebe powder from delighty.com, wax. I'm using avocado butter, but you can use any butter. Our essential oils, vitamin E. Let's get started. I'm going to measure out my ingredient now. Firstly, I'm going to measure out my wax. I'll be starting off with my wax. You can get the recipe in the description below. Okay. Then my So I'm going to melt this in my double boiler. Okay. I'll be making use of Missic oil. I really like it. This is my go-to oil for my hair. That's it. I'll add add this to my eating wax. My wax, butter and oil is completely melted. I'm going to test the temperature. Okay, good. I'm not going to add my tea tree oil, rose essential oil, and also my vitamin because those are heat sensitive. So I'm going to put this in the refrigerator for some minutes for it to solidify before we start whipping it. So stay tuned. Our oil is solidified and ready to be whipped. I said have vitamin E rather. Vitamin E. Our tea tree oil. This is peppermint rather. 1, 2, 7 drops. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. That's funny. Oil. And our Chebe powder. Going to put Now that you've learned how to make your own Chebe butter in your own kitchen, do not forget to order your authentic Chebe powder on my website at delightedbeauty.com. Use Delight for 10% off. For more videos on doing it yourself beauty product, kindly subscribe and hit the notification bell for you to get notified whenever I have new videos. Like, share, and see you next time. Bye.